want to show you this chart here. Okay. Now, some of you are like, whoa, wait, what are you doing? Looking at the charts. You don't talk about the charts. I don't, but that does not mean that I don't look at them. Okay. As a matter of fact, I am working on a relationship to bring a technical analysis to the channel, guys. So when we're doing these streams, we're going to have a guest. He's going to provide his insight. We've been chopping it up for a number of months, and I'm telling you, he's good. Okay, can't wait for you guys to meet him. But what we have here is the total crypto market cap on the monthly time frame. Now, I only use two indicators, Bollinger Bands, and then I'll show you my other one here. It's the RSI indicator. Let's jump back here. But the important part is, and you can see the RSI here actually on the line, but there's supposed to be two cells. I had it opened up. Focus is, though, is this circle here. All right. The reason why I have this highlighted is because you can see that we still have room for one more drop. Okay. And this is just the same on the Bitcoin chart. What you'll notice is that Bitcoin and total crypto market cap, they move a lot the same way. Okay. So with that as the base for our understanding, let's go over to BTC. Now, I'm going to tell you why I only use Bollinger Bands. It's a real simple way to look at these charts. I know a lot of people, a lot of technical analysis guys, they get real deep with their indicators and things like that. I'm more of a fundamental guy. I read the headlines and the news. But these two indicators here, the Bollinger Bands and the RSI, they indicate ranges and they indicate strength. And I understand that as being pertinent to watching a market progress over a long period of time. So I use Bollinger Bands to track the markets on a monthly basis. We've been watching everything. I've been watching everything play out for the entirety since I got into the space using these bands, really. But for the entirety of 2022, I've been watching this channel, this here, play out, right? First example, we'll go back over to May, Terra Luna crash. The month before, we were right here in this range, right? April started, we were in the green, we were sitting above this RSI line. I'm starting to question though, because this is when all of this space opened up. These ranges here are volatility, okay? And we're going to get through this really quick because it's just really one point I want to show you guys. In April, all of this space opened up. The first thing I said was, there's too much room here. Something's going to happen. 30 days later, Terra Luna collapsed. As you can see, that space got filled. We got Terra Luna, we got Celsius, we got Voyager, we got FTX. All of those things contributed, and then, of course, the geopolitical stuff. But all of those things contributed to us pushing down and filling up this space. Now, with that line of thinking, you can see we still have some room down here. All right. But it's only slight. The total, this is Bitcoin's chart right here. This bottom line is bringing us to 10K. And with this being on the monthly chart, what I'm anticipating is that in December, the rest of December, we will push up quite nicely. But we have to fill that gap. Once we fill this gap, though, then it's pay dirt season, okay? Because what happens is, and I'll go back and show you this, is that when we go from top to bottom, another reason why I like using the Bollinger Bands, because it's real easy to understand. We always go from top to bottom, okay? You can see here, this was 2020. A lot of people entered the market at this time, but you can see we wicked down, made that bottom, and ever since we touched that, it pushed us up. And this was the rally that everyone saw and everyone came into, right? Going into 2021, then we had that sell in May walk away, but we continued that rally up until November. Boom, we touched that top channel and things began to come the other way. This is why I use the monthly chart. It gives that broad range, that broad outlook. And you can see ever since November of 2021, we touched that top band, pushing us all the way back. And what has happened here? First time we touched was July. Things were pretty smooth in July. Then we bounced off, and now we appear to be looking to make contact with this second band. Now, what this illustrates to me, and some of you more advanced technical chart readers will recognize this as a double bottom. Basically, what I'm stating is the pump we have right now is very nice, okay? but there is still room for one more drop, and it's going to happen sometime within the next 30 to 45 days. Once I see on my charts, and again, I'm bringing in a TA guy, so that way we have this information to be more accurate. But once I see on this chart that we have made contact with that bottom band, and that may bring us to a $10,000 Bitcoin. Once we touch it, the mathematics, guys, as you can see, we're going to go the other way. So not trying to bring any FUD, not trying to, mess up the sentiment. I'm still positive. I'm still bullish, but just wanted to show you guys what the bigger picture was. Okay. So